Hello everyone, I am Kaushal, and in this video I am going to show you how to use a lightning message service. So what is a lightning message service? Lightning message service is a communication way across the DOM between Aura component, Lightning Web component and Visualforce page. Here we are in our Salesforce or look at our message service application. As you can see, we have three components. First is a Lightning Web component, second is a Aura component, and third is a Visualforce page. So in three components, we have a publisher and subscriber components. So this is a publisher component and this is a subscriber component. And in publisher component, we have a three buttons. So these three buttons is a contact name and also it is a publisher button. When you click on the Smith, the record ID will be available in subscriber component. So suppose when I click on Smith, so the Smith record ID is available in three components. And when I click on div from the Aura components, so the record ID will be changed in three components. And when I click on from Visualforce page, the record ID will be changed. So in subscriber component we have a two button, subscribe and unsubscribe, and also two button in Visualforce page, subscribe and unsubscribe. But here is a no button for subscribe or unsubscribe because Aura does not Aura does not support the subscribe and subscribe explicitly, and we cannot handle these buttons, this event explicitly. It automatically internally handle when when the component is rendered. So when I click on unsubscribe button from the LWC component, so div record ID will not be available in this component, but the record IDs will be available in Aura component or Visualforce component. When I click on div, so record ID will be is changed and in both component but not in LWC component because it is unsubscribed. When click on subscribe button, the record ID is available. Okay. So as well, when I click on subscribe button and unsubscribe, suppose I click on unsubscribe button and I click on div, so the record ID is available of div in both component but not in this, and because it is unsubscribed. And when I click on subscribe button, so the ID will be available in this component. Okay, so that is a way of communication across the DOM between Lightning Web components or a component and Visualforce page. Thank you.